Hey, this is Pam Crawford of the Crawford Realty team with RE/MAX Professional Associates. Today I am with my team member, Patty Kane. We're actually working on some really cool Craigslist advertisement technique. You can see that I have many windows open right now. I have my Pam Crawford homes.com website open doing a search for foreclosed properties in Spencer. I have another tab open for Craigslist, another one open for imageshack.us, another one for craigslistadtrackers.com, and then another one for HTML free.square, I'm sorry. And we're going to actually create some screenshots and post them into Craigslist for a Craigslist ad. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to copy from our website a search. So what I did was I actually put in Spencer foreclosed properties, and I'm going to copy that as a screenshot. You do that by hitting on my computer Control and then Screenshot, and I'll copy it and put it into Paint. Okay, once I copied the screenshot into Paint, I'm going to crop it, save it as a JPEG file, and then I'm going to go to imageshack.us. I'm going to go over where it says Media Upload. I'm going to go into Browse. I'm going to grab the picture that I just created. In this case I called it, I think, Spencer Foreclosures. And I'm going to upload it into ImageShack. Once it uploads, it's going to give me some HTML code. So if we look down at the bottom of the screen, I'm going to copy the HTML code, and I'm going to open up the screen up top that is called HTML Edit Square Free. And I'm going to paste the code into this. After I go into the HTML editor, what I'm going to then do is go back to my website, copy the browser link, and I am going to go back to the HTML editor, and where right after it says href, there's an open quotation. I am going to delete all the way to the other open quotation, and I am going to paste in my website. Now you can see that instead of it saying ImageShack, it now says PamCrawfordHomes.com, and will give a landing page. Because I'm going to then track how many hits I'm going to get on this, I'm going to go on to Craigslist Ad Tracker, and I'm going to create an ad tracking device. So it's craigslistadtracker.com. Once I grab the code from the Craigslist ad tracker, I am going to then put it into the HTML squarefree.com that I've created for this Craigslist ad. I'm going to take all of this code and I'm going to copy it into Craigslist. To create the Craigslist ad, I'm going to get into my Craigslist account. I'm going to go into new postings. I'm going to go, in my case, Worcester, Massachusetts, or Central Mass. I'm going to go down to housing offered. I'm going to go into real estate by broker. I'm going to leave the price, the bedrooms and square feet out, and I'm going to create a cool posting title. So in this case, I'm doing, I'm going to be doing foreclosures in Spencer, and I believe that 9 of them came up. So I may want to say something like, 9 awesome foreclosures, or don't miss out on this great bank-owned properties, something to that effect. I'll create that title after. I'm going to have that it shows my email, and then I have already copied the HTML code, and I'm going to paste it into the description part. You can see here's the HTML code. This will actually create a clickable site. I'm going to hit continue. Oh, it's going to kick me out and tell me I need a title. So give me a second and I'll put that title in. Okay, I created a title called Check Out Some Awesome Foreclosures. And I put this location as Spencer. I'm going to continue on to the next screen. I am not going to include the map. I am going to hit done with images. And this is what the ad is going to look like. When the person clicks on this, they're going to see that the little hand comes up, and it will tell them that they can click through to a website, and it'll bring it to my website. So this is Pam Crawford of the Crawford Realty team. Hope these little tips help you do some great Craigslist postings.